continuing with the high intensity interval training workouts. It is going to be still continuing with the intermediate phase. So this will be the third episode with that. For today, we're going to be doing an ab circuit, all right? So it will be structured again as the same. We've been doing it 1 minute stations all the way down. Once we finish all 6, take that 2 to 3 minute break, get some water, come back, and then doing 2 more total rounds, all right? So finishing with 3 and then you're done. So for the first one we're going to be doing today, we got some weighted sit-ups, and we're going to add on 4 additional twists at the top of that with it, all right? So what we're going to do, we're going to start it off right here. We're going to grab our weight, obviously lay it back. So we're going to be doing a regular sit-up. Once we get up to the top, we're going to go 1, 2, 3, and 4 with a slow decline all the way back down. Then do it again. Coming up, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Nice and slow all the way back down. All right, so that will be our first one. Number 2, we're going to be doing 4 Russian twists with an additional knee tuck. All right, so this is what we're going to be doing. Go ahead and grab your weight. We're going to cross up our feet right here. We're going to elevate them, and from this position, we're going to go ahead and go into it right here. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And on the 4th one, we're going to tuck in those knees, bring it back out. Then again, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Bring it back up, knees in and out, over and over for that minute, all right? That will be our second one. For our third one, we're going to be doing a split set, all right, guys? So we're going to be doing 30 seconds of plank swiggles, 30 seconds of planks with movement, all right? So this is what it's going to look like. For the first one, you guys will be in a plank position. Once we hear that 3, 2, 1, we're going to come right into it. Touching down hips all the way over in a rainbow-like motion, side to side, really engaging those obliques. Once we hear that clock, 3, 2, 1, then we're gonna go right into planks with movement. All right, so a plank with movement, making sure we're staying nice and straight. We're gonna come over to the right, coming over to the left, coming over to the right, and coming over to the left. 3, 2, 1, once we finish that minute, then we're on to the next one. Number 4, we're gonna be doing some weighted toe touches, all right, guys? So for this one, you guys gotta go ahead and grab your weights. We're gonna lay it back, put those feet up in the air, hold your weight up, and from this position, we're gonna go up and bring it to our toes. Coming down, bringing it up to our toes. And if you guys wanna mix it up too and start doing some alternating, maybe go to the right, and then to the left, to the right, and to the left, all right? Mix it up, keep yourself going for that minute, and we'll be good, all right? So that's going to be number 4. Number 5, we're going to be doing another split set, all right? So this time we're going to be doing 30 seconds of knee drivers, 30 seconds of leg raises, all right, guys? So first thing we're starting off with in a push-up position. This is how we're going to be knocking down those knee drivers. Each knee will be crossing all the way on opposite sides of our body. The deeper you dip in, the more of a stretch you're going to feel on your abs. All right, so once we hear that 3, 2, 1, then we're going to transition right into some leg raises. So you'll flip it back over on your back in a high pace, then we're coming up and coming down. Legs are coming up and coming down. And for our 6th and final station, we're going to be doing some frozen V holds. All right, guys, so check it out. For this one, we are going to be balancing ourselves on our butts. Legs are going to be trying to stay as straight as possible. Try not to have them bending straight as possible right here, and we're going to balance ourselves on our butt. We're not going to roll back. We're going to hold ourselves up right here on our butt, and we're going to stay glued for that entire minute, all right? So these tend to get pretty difficult, but just do your best to try and stay and hold it as long as you can, all right? So that's going to be all 6 of our stations for today's ab circuit. I hope you guys liked the video. Make sure you guys give this workout a shot for yourself, and make sure we're hitting that subscribe button for your boy. I got a bunch more stuff coming up, so make sure you guys are staying tuned. And yeah, so make sure we're staying positive, be successful, keep dreaming big.